The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia marks a bold and nostalgic return of one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. Originally produced from the 1950s through the mid-1970s, the Karmann Ghia was known for its graceful design, lightweight construction, and European flair. Now, in 2025, Volkswagen has reimagined this classic coupe as a modern-day vehicle that blends heritage styling with contemporary engineering. It's a tribute not just to the name, but to a time when cars were as much about personality as performance. With the increasing demand for retro-inspired vehicles and electric mobility, the new Karmann Ghia fits right into the evolving automotive landscape while evoking a deep sense of nostalgia. The 2025 Karmann Ghia maintains its vintage design cues, staying faithful to the spirit of the original while upgrading every element to modern standards. It sits lower than most contemporary coupes, exuding the classic road-hugging stance that enthusiasts adored in the mid-20th century. The car's elegant curves remain, featuring a sleek, fastback profile and a rounded front fascia that immediately recalls its classic predecessor. Volkswagen has smartly retained the fluidity of the original design: no sharp creases or angular lines, just smooth, uninterrupted surfaces that reflect light beautifully. LED headlamps are integrated seamlessly into the bodywork. Encased in round housings reminiscent of the original car's chrome-trimmed lights, chrome accents are used, subtly but effectively, around the grille, window surrounds, and door handles, staying true to the classic look without becoming kitschy. The rear is perhaps the most charming aspect, with retro-styled taillights, a ducktail spoiler built into the trunk lid, and dual exhaust tips on the gas-powered variant that suggest sportiness without shouting it. Alloy wheels are styled like vintage Fuchs rims, adding to the car's throwback charm while maintaining modern performance standards. The new Karmann Ghia comes in a selection of classic hues, including pastel blues, creamy whites, cherry reds, and even a two-tone option that honors the signature paint schemes of the original. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers two powertrains, a refined turbocharged inline-4 engine and a fully electric variant, appealing to both purists and eco-conscious drivers. The turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 produces 228 horsepower and 258 pounds-ft of torque, delivered to the front wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This setup allows the Karmann Ghia to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6.5 seconds, a significant improvement over the original car, which was never known for straight-line speed. The electric variant, on the other hand, uses Volkswagen's MEB platform and delivers around 201 horsepower with instant torque from a single rear-mounted motor, allowing for a more spirited driving experience and a lower center of gravity. It boasts a range of approximately 280 miles. On a full charge, supported by DC fast charging capability, that can recharge the battery from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. Regenerative braking and multiple drive modes, Eco, Normal, and Sport, give drivers more control over their experience. Whether they're cruising on the highway or carving up coastal roads, driving dynamics have been given special attention. The 2025 Karmann Ghia features an independent suspension system with adaptive dampers, offering a composed and enjoyable ride without sacrificing engagement. Steering is sharp and responsive, and the chassis is tuned to deliver a mix of comfort and sportiness that will appeal to both casual and spirited drivers. Whether in gasoline or electric form, the new Karmann Ghia offers a dynamic drive that is both fun and refined, worthy of its storied nameplate. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia continues its homage to retro style while offering the latest in comfort and technology. The dashboard layout is clean and symmetrical, with round air vents, a dual-tone color scheme, and brushed aluminum accents giving it a classic vibe. However, beneath this nostalgic aesthetic lies a wealth of modern features. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch infotainment screen dominate the center console, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, voice control, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. Materials inside the cabin are a step above what you'd typically find in a retro-styled vehicle. Leather and Alcantara upholstery are standard, with optional genuine wood trim for those seeking a more upscale touch. The front seats are sporty yet comfortable, offering lumbar support and heating, while the rear seats are best suited for occasional passengers or extra cargo. Though it's a compact coupe, the new Ghia offers decent interior space thanks to smart packaging and a flat floor design in the AV model. Cargo space is modest, but enough for weekend trips or a grocery run. And a front trunk in the electric variant adds extra utility. The tech features are rounded out by a premium audio system developed in partnership with Harman Kardon. Ambient lighting with customizable colors, dual-zone climate control, and an available panoramic sunroof. Advanced safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring the car is as safe as it is stylish. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia sits comfortably in the premium compact coupe segment. The base gas-powered model starts around $33,000, offering good value for those who appreciate its style and performance. The electric version starts closer to $42,000, reflecting the cost of battery technology. And added features. Fully loaded models, especially the EV of all the available packages, can climb to about $50,000. While that positions the Ghia against some well-established competitors, its unique styling, heritage appeal, and blend of modern amenities help it stand out in a crowded field. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a masterful revival of an automotive legend. It's not just a retro cash-in, but a well-thought-out, modern interpretation of a beloved classic. From its head-turning exterior to its enjoyable driving dynamics and tech-laden cabin, the new Ghia manages to bridge the gap between past and future. It offers something rare in today's market: genuine personality. For those who remember the original, it's a tasteful and exciting return. For younger drivers, it's a fresh, stylish alternative to the generic offerings in the compact coupe segment. Whether you're drawn to it for nostalgia or its modern-day merits, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is a standout example of how to do a modern classic right.